Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation for today. And here is your quote from Tim Fargo. Who you are tomorrow begins with what you do today. The hardest thing with anything is the starting bit, the very beginning. You know what you want to do, and even you might even know how you're going to do it. But how do you get started? The simple answer is just jump in. No amount of preparation will ever have you being 100% ready, so there's no point in even trying to finish those finer details. Start today, and in a year's time you'll be shocked at not only how far you've come, but just how well you're doing.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.